This is Lisa with Lisa's Landscape and Design, and today we are featuring the peach drift rose. I love the peach. The peach and the coral are my two favorites of the drift rose series. The drift rose is a mounding rose, very low, compact rose compared to others. These are 8 years old now, and I almost never trim them. So they're probably close to 3 feet tall and about as wide. They're probably about 4 feet wide. I absolutely love them because this is what they do. These get morning sun and afternoon shade, believe it or not. I have an apple tree here. You can see it's got some blooms on it. That is going to provide some afternoon shade to this baby. But it is such a profuse bloomer, truly evergreen. It is just this glorious variety of colors. Everything from coral to pink to peach. Some of them are actually speckled. I mean, it's just a stunner. And so if you have full blazing sun to some dappled shade, you can see that this does very well in that environment. It is a great option for the shrubs in front of your house or in front of your window because they stay low and mounding. They require almost no maintenance. I literally do nothing with them but give them some compost every spring and fall. That's it. I don't do anything else to get this kind of a bloom display out of them. Super drought tolerant and incredibly disease resistant. You can see there's no, even after all the rain we've got, there's no yellow spotted leaves from fungal issues that some roses are notorious for. So I highly encourage this one. The peach drift rose and the coral drift rose are my two favorites. The coral, I believe I've already featured on this channel, and they stay lower. They really do get about 2.5 feet wide and about 3 or 4 feet. I'm sorry, 2.5 feet tall and 3 to 4 feet wide, whereas this one's a little bushier, as I mentioned the dimensions previously. They are not deer resistant. Deers love roses, and I just don't happen to be in that climate. But drought tolerant like nobody's business, and super low maintenance and incredibly impactful in the landscape. So give drift rose a try, and I hope that you are encouraged to try other heirloom earth kind roses. You'll be pleasantly surprised by the great impact that they can have with very little to no maintenance. And of course, with this kind of color palette, come on, you got to try it. So with that, go get your rose garden on.